doing today, girls?
A nature walk.
And what are the baskets for?
Flowers and caterpillars and blocks. And diamonds. And diamonds.
Ew. Can't even see your face.
Hello.
Hi, Dad.
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Let's
Fucking hype.
No fighting.
I still want to put the magnet out of my face.
Okay, please stop. Alright, so I see you there.
See you there. What? See that?
Okay.
I love you so much. I miss you.
Okay, see you there. Guys, you like it?
I like it too, Mom.
It's so cold out.
Hi, Sierra. Hey guys, you having fun? Yeah. Hi guys. How was the nature walk?
Dad, it's so stupid. Dad.
Alright.
Dad.
Alright. Thanks,
Dad.
Sierra. Okay. Why was it bad, Isabella?
Because you not let me look at that words.
Why? Alright.
That's birds, because you let me go home. I hate it. No, we're going to get hot cocos and cookies. No.
Sierra, why was it good?
Because we have a fun walk.
Yeah. Daddy,
We walked for about 10 fucking minutes. I ruined my shoes. Stepped in fucking mud.
Where are my shoes alone?
Was it fun, Dad?
Was it fun?
What was the temperature?
Dad.
It was freezing.
Dad.
Yeah, what?
He had us wear shorts and t-shirts because it feels like it's 80 degrees out, but it's freezing.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna go buy hot cocoa and cookies. So, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, everyone's
No.
Bella loves her dad, so she's a...
Fucking bullshit. Still fucking recording? Yeah, hey. $110 shoes.
Say bye.
Dad.
Bye.
Dad.
See you next time.